I deal with men as I deal with things. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to the family. Just click the subscribe button so you join formally. So today's video, as you can tell from the title already, is going to be a transformation video. Yeah, I'm going to be transforming myself into a 90s Nollywood babe. If you don't know what a Nollywood babe is, are you even Nigerian? Really, are you? I'm going to leave some pictures on the screen. Okay, so basically, the 90s Nollywood babe, their makeup was usually like really arched black brows, a lot of gold eyeshadow, dark liner on their lips, and plenty of lip gloss. Then they had all these afros and braids and you know, those side flip hair and many. And today I'm going to be transforming myself into one of them. Yeah, if you want to see how that goes, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my makeup first. So let's get into the makeup now. Let's get primed. I'm applying my foundation now. Done with the foundation now. I'm not sure they knew anything like highlighting and contouring then, but I don't want my face to look so flat, so I'm just going to do a little bit of highlight. I'm just going to set the highlighter part of my face. I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Studio Fix powder. I don't think I'm going to contour anything. Ooh, skin is looking smooth. Now to the star of the show, the brows. I'm going to take my black pencil. The eyebrows are usually like really thin, so let's hope I get this. This one is looking thinner than this. This is what the brows are looking like right now. High enough. I think I want to make the arc a little bit higher. Yeah, I like it this way. The next thing is the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow was usually like all gold, and they used to extend it like all the way to their brows, like it was crazy. So let's try recreating that. I'm just applying it with my hand because this is how they used to apply it then. I don't think this is good enough. I'm going to get another palette. Eyeshadow palette is actually my mom's eyeshadow palette. How fitting is it? Like really bright yellow shades here. So I'm going to take one of them and use this old-fashioned brush to apply it. Yeah, this is brighter. So what's next? Blush. I'm going to use this same eyeshadow palette. It has a blush, it has highlighter, it has contour, it has a face powder even, like I think I still look really pretty. I'm going to use that same black pencil to line my eyes. I'm almost done. What next? They didn't used to do highlighter or anything, so I'm just going to go straight to the lips. The lips. I need to take my new lipstick. Yes, baby. Next is mascara because I'm not sure they wore false lashes. I actually think I look good, you know. I'd have been a first type. I was in that. Genevieve, I'll be giving you a run for your money. Okay, we're done with the makeup now. We're going to move on to the hair. So I'm going to turn my hair into an afro, and I'll be back. This is my mini afro. I'm going to tie it up now with a scarf. How do I look? So next is jewelry. This really big necklace. How do I look, guys? Rate me out of 10. So this is the final look, guys. Hi, young lady. Go and tell your boss that Jessica is here to see him. Tell him to keep me waiting, please. I have important things to do. Hello, baby girl. How are you doing? Yes, of course. You know me. I deal with men as I think fit. That little girl was no match for me. Trust me, I dealt with her severely. Of course. Oh. Alright, I'll see you in campus later in the evening, okay? Ciao. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed creating this look with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.